Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the new lesson of English Balbharati Standard 1, lesson number 6, Make Words. So watch the video carefully. Dear students, look and learn. You can see 3 columns. In first column you can see many letters. In second column you can see the letter A. In third column you can see the letter N. So dear students, we will join 3 columns and we will make a word. First of all, we will take a letter from first column, then we will join with second and third column and we will make a word. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. V-A-N, van. Now my dear students, we have completed the table A and now we will see the table B. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, man. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. Table C. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. W-I-N, win. Table D. B-O-W, bow. C-O-W, cow. H-O-W, how. N-O-W, now. W-O-W, wow. Table E. F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. Number 2. Look, listen and circle the odd man out. Now my dear students, we will circle the odd man out. It means we will circle the word which one is different from group. Number 1 is B-A-T, bat. B-E-D, bed. B-O-A-T, boat. H-U-T, hut. So dear students, we will circle the word hut because other words are starting with the letter B. Bat, bed, boat, and hut is starting with the letter H. So we will circle the letter H along with word hut. Second one is S-U-N, sun. L-O-C-K, lock. S-A-C-K, sack. S-O-A-P, soap. So we will circle the word lock because other words are starting with the letter S and lock is starting with the letter L. Third one is C-O-C-K, cock. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. C-L-A-P, clap. So we will circle the letter D along with dog because other words are starting with the letter C and dog is starting with the letter D. Fourth one is L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. L-E-A-F, leaf. R-O-S-E, rose. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. So we will circle the word rose because it is starting with the letter R and others are starting with the letter L. Fifth one is K-E-Y, key. P-O-T, pot. P-E-N, pen. P-U-R-S-E, purse. Now we will circle the word key because it is starting with the letter K and others are starting with the letter P. The last one is T-O-P, top. T-O-Y, toy. A-X-E-X. T-R-E-E, tree. So we will circle the word X because it is starting with the letter A and others are starting with the letter T. Now my dear students, watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.